Hi guys, and welcome to another edition of TechSampled. Today we have the iUKUS Lapel Lavalier Microphone, bit of a mouthful. So we're going to do a quick unboxing and we're going to do a quick setup onto an iPhone. So just the first impression of the box and the packaging, very smart looking. I really can't complain for a £27 Amazon purchase. Hopefully improve our audio in our videos. We'll just have to wait and see. So let's start off just by pulling the tab and taking the contents out of the box. First impressions, I have to say, well, so many leads and it just looks very, very messy. Hopefully once we put it on a table and get it all out, it will make sense. But so far, yeah, a little bit messy. So we've got it all out on a table. Let's take a look at the manual which comes with it first of all. Very straightforward, simple pamphlet manual. Some guarantee information, etc. A little pouch to store all your items in. We've got a wind shield for the microphone to stop noise. And we've got a couple of clips to attach to clothing. And then we've got some different connectors to connect the microphone to different devices. And we have a battery which will go into the controller, so it's self-powered. So you've got 6 meters of cable there. You've got the control unit right in the middle. There's a camera on and a camera off button. The off mode is essentially for iPhones and mobile phones. So start things off, we're just going to put the battery into the actual unit. This can be a bit fiddly to start with. But yeah, it means it's going to be self-powered. So as I said, it's a 3.5mm connector. The microphone is naked at the moment, but you can apply the pop filter onto it. So I'm just going to close up the device. Right, so what we're going to do now is do a test on the actual microphone itself. Now what you're listening to right now is the iPhone 11 Pro recording. Now to plug it into an iPhone, you'll need one of these adapters, which is a 3.5mm to a lightning adapter. So I'm just going to plug it into the iPhone right now, so you might hear a crackle. And as soon as I've done that, the microphone should change to the actual lapel mic. Hopefully it will improve the audio. I'm just going to bring the actual microphone down so you can have a look at it. It's on our rig at the moment. There you go. Nice and compact. It has the pop foam filter on it, so you won't get any distortion if you're out and about. If you've got, if you're in a windy area, it's quite handy to have. I'm just going to pull it up again. Okay guys, so that was my first impression unboxing of the Lapel Lavalier Microphone. That's quite a mouthful. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, please subscribe, and leave your comments below. The links for this product are below, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Take care and goodbye.